We have an opportunity today to condemn or condone. Birtherism is racist. Saying a Mexican judge can't be fair because of his heritage is racist. Saying immigrants from Mexico are rapists is racist. Saying there were good people on both sides in Charlottesville is racist. Calling African countries shithole countries is racist. And telling 4 members of this body to go home is racist.
Gentleman will state
do you think it's not racist?
Gentleman will state his point of order.
Do you think it's not
so
racist?
The gentleman will suspend. Gentleman will state
Is that what you're saying right now, Mr. Collins?
Gentleman will suspend.
Mr. Collins, is it not racist to say these things? Because you can say that right now.
The gentleman from California is out of order. The gentleman from California shall suspend.